Today we're going to play Hoot Owl Hoot. And this one we love, don't we? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this one is so good for colors because you just pick a color. Oh, this is a sunshine. So whenever you get a sunshine, you lay a sunshine on the upper part of the board. And this is kind of like the clock. So the owls are out at night, but you want to get all of the owls home into their nest before you collect all the sunshines. So what you do is you have the owls over here. Let's just start with these two. Okay, so you've got some owls and then you draw the cards. So you see it? So this is purple. So one of these owls gets to move to the next purple. Let's move this guy. So he moves to purple. Okay, so which one is this one? Yellow. Okay, who do you want to move to the yellow one? Do you want to move this guy or this guy to the yellow one?
This one.
Okay, you move it to yellow. Oh, very good. Okay, now let's get another owl over here. And one more. Okay, so what is this color?
I don't know.
Is it blue or green?
Blue.
No, it's green. Okay, which one should move to green? Do you want to move this one, or one of these ones to green?
This one.
Oh, good choice. All the way over. Nice. Okay, now what about this one? What color is this?
Like this.
Yeah, they match, don't they? They're both green. Okay, so which one should come over here?
This one.
Okay, move it over, way over there. Good work.
I got it. Over there.
Okay, now you pick one.
This one.
Sunshine. Okay, now move the sunshine up one. Okay. Now put it over in this pile. That's okay. All right, pick another one.
Oh, ooh, ow.
That's okay. We'll only use 4 owls right now. Okay, pick another one.
Oh, sunshine.
Okay, move Mr. Sunshine. Oh my, the clock is ticking. This way. Okay, pick another one. Should Mom pick or you pick?
You.
Okay, red.
Red.
Okay, let's see. Let's move this guy to red. Okay, now your turn.
This.
Orange? Okay, look, here's an orange or here's an orange. Who do you want to move?
Here.
Okay, do you want to move this guy or this guy?
This.
Okay, good choice. Excuse you. What color is this?
Red.
No, blue.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, let's move this guy to blue. Okay, your turn.
This
What color is that?
one.
Yeah, red. Very good. Okay, do you want to move this guy to red? He could go all the way up here. Nice. Oh, red. Yeah, there you go. Okay, yellow. Where's the yellow? Let's see. Let's move this guy.
Yellow.
Very good. Okay, which one are you going to do next?
This one.
What color is it? Orange? Okay, who do you want to move to orange? This guy could move up here, or these ones could move up here.
This one.
Okay. Okay, now I have a yellow. Let's move this guy to yellow. Okay, your turn. Okay. Green. Okay, you can move this one to green, this one up here, or these ones way over here. Which one do you want to move?
This one.
Okay. Oh, over here. Match green. Very good.
Next.
Okay, Mom's turn. Orange. Let's move this guy up to orange. Okay, your turn. So one thing I really like about this game is that it's cooperative and it's not super complicated. That's a sunshine. Okay, move the sun up. So it's cooperative, and we're all working together to get the owls home safe, and we're racing against the sunshine. And it does have a little bit of strategy and logic, because sometimes you can go really far depending on the color that you pick and where the owls are. So this is an awesome one for, she is 2, but that is a good pile. But even preschool and kindergarten, I have a son in grade 2 and he still likes to play this game with the younger siblings. So this is a fun one. Okay, what color is that? Green? Let's move this guy all the way up here. Yeah, they do match. As you can tell, she's matching the colors and gets really excited about it. And if you wanted to make this game harder, you could even laminate these and put, see what this one is. And you could put letters or sunshine. Okay, move, Mr. Sun. You could put letters or sight words on these parts.
Mom, this time.
Yeah, that's looking good. And then your kid would have to either say the name or sound or read the word. Yeah, that's where we're trying to go. Yeah, so if you laminate them, then write the alphabet or words or numbers on it, then you can, yeah, sunshine. So then your kid can have practice and they have to read it or say the sound or recognize what the letter or number is before they can move. So you can make this a good game for older kids too if you want. Okay, is it your turn to pick? Ooh. Purple. Where's purple? Here's the purple. Or this guy could move up here. This guy could go here. Or this guy could, he could almost go into the, oh, no, that one has to go here. Yeah. Okay, now it's Mom's turn.
Mom.
Purple, I picked a purple too. I'm gonna move this guy. Okay, your turn, Missy.
I'm not.
Yeah, they're both on purple, aren't they? Where's another purple?
I don't know.
Here's the purple. Can you find another purple?
Red.
Yellow. Yellow. Where does it go? Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll put that one back. Okay, do you want this guy to move over here? This guy over here? Okay, he moves over here then to the yellow. Very good, nice work. Okay, oh, I got a sunshine. Uh-oh.
No.
Oh, okay, you put it in that pile, sorry. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, good, thank you.
Oh.
What color is it?
Red.
Red, very good.
2.
2 reds. Okay, so you could move either of these guys up here.
This guy.
Oh, he has to go up here.
Why?
No, he can't skip it. He's got to stop. Okay, now Mom's turn. Yellow. Let's bring this guy up to yellow. Okay. Is it your turn? Sunshine. Okay, where are you gonna, who moves now? You gotta move the sunshine. Oh, you gotta move sunshine first. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, is it Mom's turn or your turn?
Your turn.
Green. Oh, look, there's no more green here, so this owl gets to go all the way home. So now we have 1 owl safe. Okay, your turn.
One. I want just one.
Well, you have to, what one did you choose?
This one.
Oh, sunshine. Okay, you have to move this guy now. Yeah, okay. Now Mom's turn?
No.
I think it's my turn. You pick the sunshine.
No.
Oh, purple. You could move any of these way over
This
here.
one.
Okay. Oh, over to purple. Good work. Okay, red. Let's bring this guy up to red. Okay, now your turn.
This.
Well, he has to stay here so far. We have to get him in the house. Well, pick one more. Okay, do another. Yellow. Okay, who do you want to move to yellow? These ones could move here, or this guy could go home. Yeah, put him in its nest. Very good. Okay, now Mom's turn. Sunshine. Oh no. All right, your turn.
Mommy, time.
How many left? 1, 2,
2, 1, 2,
3, 4.
4.
Okay, so we got to get those other owls home before the sunshine comes. Okay, which one are you going to pick?
Oh, red.
Red? Okay.
Oh, no, over here.
Okay. Okay. Which one are you going to move to the red?
This one.
Okay. Where's the red? No, this way. Right here. Okay, now it's Mom's turn. Purple? Yeah, we're almost home. Okay. Now we just have to get those ones home. You pick.
Yellow.
Orange. Okay, which one are you going to put home?
This one. This one.
Okay, home. Home safe.
Safe.
Blue. What is that one?
Red.
Is it home safe?
Yeah. Safe.
How many are home safe? 1, 2.
3, 4.
Nice. High five, girl.
And safe.
Yeah.
And safe.
They're safe.
And that net.
In their nest?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you think their mama will come home with food soon? Yeah.
Yellow.
Orange? Purple?
Purple.
Blue.